Hi friends, it's Miss Renee here with your Preschoodles digital story time. Today we're going to read Love is a Handful of Honey by Giles Andre, illustrated by Vanessa Cabin. Love is that high-flying feeling that makes you leap out of your bed. Love is what makes you throw open the curtains and somersault round on your head. Love is that warm, cozy feeling, a cuddle that tells you you're sweet. And love is that feeling of laughing out loud when somebody tickles your feet. Love's skipping out in the morning and hoping the day never ends. And love's what you feel when you all get together and go on adventures with friends. Love's when you hide in the forest in places that nobody knows. Love is that fluttery feeling you feel when a butterfly taps on your toes. Love is a handful of honey, and love's making friends with the bees. Even the flowers are bursting with love when they're dancing about in the breeze. And then when your stomachs are grumbly, love is unwrapping your treats. And love's stuffing everything all in at once, leaving masses of mess on your cheeks. Love is splashing through puddles, and love's getting soaked in the rain. Love is a rainbow that bursts through the sky when the sun begins shining again. Love's when you can't stop describing just what you've been doing all day. And love is when somebody quietly listens to everything you've got to say. Love is a great bedtime story that takes you to faraway lands. And love's when you want to show someone you care, so you snuggle up close and hold hands. Love's looking out of the window to wave at the man in the moon. And love's when you whisper goodnight to the stars, who'll be watching you dream very soon. And then when you're tired and sleepy and you're cozily tucked up all tight, love is that last little cuddle and kiss that helps you sleep safe through the night. Good night. The end. I hope you enjoyed our Preschoodles story time. Have a great day, and don't forget to visit preschoodles.com for more.